All right, little change of scenery today. Today we're actually at Refresh Fans in USA, our head office here in Coconut Creek, Florida. Come on inside, we're gonna show you what we're doing today. We're actually putting up one of our 20-foot fans at our warehouse back here in Florida because it is hot. All right, as you can see, it's early times here. We've got a fan on the floor. We've got our airfoil kit, our electrician unpacking out there in the back. I don't know if you can even see that, but we're getting ready to rock. We're gonna put up our fan in this ceiling. We're gonna make it way more comfortable back here for all of the occupants. Missed the official unboxing, but there it is, the Ferrari of motors. Gonna be in the ceiling soon. Literally made an hour and a half away from Ferrari. Oh yeah.